Hello guys, today we learn what is constants in Excel VBA. To implement this, we have required Microsoft Excel 2019 or any other version which are supported developer types. Now let us understand what is constants. Constants are fixed value that cannot be changed during the execution of the program. Here you can see here we can see syntax. Put constant constant name as data type equal to value. Let us see one example like pi value we already know 3.1.41. So how can we define? Let us see. Keyword constant pi as a variable and we define double and also need to assign the value here 3.14159. Type of constant you can see numeric constant, direct numerical values like 10, 1.4, 5, whatever you want you can provide. String constant, text value enclosed in quotation marks, you can also put constant value as a strings. And Boolean constant, true or false you can define, and date constant, date formatted using date value like y date. So now let us understand with an example like calculate the area of circle. So let us move open an Excel and you can here insert like shapes and you can put here calculate area of circle each. Now go to editor like press on Alt F11. Now add one modules and you can put here the code like calculate area. So here you can see sub procedure calculate area of circle constant pi as double equal to 3.14159. I define radius as double and radius value I have assigned 2. Then area as a double you have defined, then area equal to pi into radius power 2. So you can show in the message box like their area is and area. So area will be calculated. If you want to assign pi, y value is another in any hairs, so it cannot be defined. You can define but it will get the errors. So assign value cannot assign a constant value. Now close this and go to calculate area and assign a macro and select this one and OK. Now when you click, so here you can get area is 12.5636. That's it. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.